What's up, YouTube virtual travelers? Today we're in Guatemala. We're in a little town called La Máquina. The Máquina translates to the machine, and the story I've heard is that this is mostly an agricultural area, and in the 1800s, I think it was, or the early 1900s, they decided to pave this road and open up commerce to the area. And when they paved it, they used a giant machine to put it together, and they left it behind once they were done. So this is La Máquina, Guatemala. So Central America is supposed to be pretty, look at this, these guys are pulling up on me right now. It's supposed to be pretty dangerous, and there's some dudes pulling up on me right now. So it's kind of weird that they pulled up on me like that. It's very strange. But I'm gonna keep this camera on if something happens. Central America is not very safe. That's what they say. And it's 3 o'clock at night, maybe 4 o'clock, but the sun's coming down. It's been raining. So hopefully, let me turn around real quick and see if nothing's happening. All right, I'm tripping. I was told that this city was really, really safe, so I'm just scared. Yet also, all right, here we go. This is the start of the city. It's pretty lively, actually, already. What's that? You know, guys, I'm not a very experienced traveler, and to be honest with you, this is my first time actually being outside the US. You know what I need is some deodorant, maybe some body wash, so let's see if we can find it. And I'm not the type of dude that reads up on stuff or researches, and I just decided to come here and I went for it. I'm not gonna lie, it's a little bit uncomfortable, but you gotta put yourself in these positions just to experience things, and it becomes less uncomfortable next time. All right, this is gonna be the main part. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. Oh shit, I'm crossing the shit. I hope the shops in this town don't close early. You know, I've been to Hawaii, Big Island, and everything shut down at 5 o'clock, so maybe that's what's happening here. Man, I think there's not enough light. I'm gonna have to return tomorrow. Looks like we're losing light, so it's probably the end of this video because I can't see a damn thing. So. All right, found a little spot in town. Maybe it's not too late. Let's check it out. Pues sabes, ¿no venden shampoo y jabón para bañarse? ¿O tú trabajas aquí? Oh, okay. Sorry about the bag in the shot, guys. I didn't even notice it when I was filming. That's just me being a rookie at this whole filming thing, this whole vlog travel shit. So eventually I'll get it. Shampoo y jabón, por favor. Ando buscando. Sí, hay. Sí, okay.
¿Qué clase de shampoo?
Nomás para bañarme.
Bueno,
uno nomás pequeño.
Pero, en fresquito.
Sí, pequeño porque no va a estar mucho. ¿Cuál?
Protex.
Ok.
Va, este vale 7, este vale 18 y este vale 10 quetzales. Este es un Palmolive, este es un Head and Shoulder.
Ah, me voy con el más barato.
Algo más.
I eventually found this little spot on the street, and I was curious to see what Guatemalan street food was like. So the lady didn't want me to take a video of her face, but she said I can take a video of her food. This is churrasco, and this is a strawberry. She said it was oh, that's tamarindo. She said it was strawberry. Let's try that one. Oh yeah, that's fucking good. I like that. It's just like a regular tamarindo, but it's really good. It's not that sweet. And the churrasco seems to be tortillas, a piece of steak, thinly sliced steak, with some salsa on top of it, some beans, and some pasta elbows. So, can't wait. Oh shit, it's on now. They got the liquor and slushies. Oh yeah. Cheers. I like it. Está bueno. Delicioso. Gracias.